The first question that we have got is, which of the following are correct regarding the process of learning? Number six, it will be number B. That means B, C and D. After marking, then only I will try to B, C and D. Read it, okay? B, C and D. That means synthesis and organization of the old and new experiences resulting in a novel pattern, carrying out activities which leave permanent effect on the learner. D. Learning means acquisition, retention and modification of experience. Got it? So that is B, C and D. Our answer we have got. Then number 8, not 8, it was number 6. Next will be our number 7. Number 7 says, what is the full form of MODDLE Moodle, an open source learning management system, in short LMS? So these are the options. Choose one. It will be number B. That means modular object oriented dynamic learning environment. Modular object oriented dynamic learning environment. This is our correct answer. I do my best to impart you the correct answer of a particular question, but still sometimes it may happen because to err is human. It happens that I may tell you the wrong answer as the correct answer. So to avoid that, it is always best to go through at least once, to go through the options by yourself. You must do your own research. So this is done. Now let's move to next thing. Given below are two statements. So we have two statements. Statement 1 says, assessment drives learning. Statement 2, no feedback is required to be given in formative assessment. Now in the light of the above statement, we have to choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. You can read, okay? Read it. So the correct option will be, I will tell you, statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. This is what I have got. Next, according to Dewey, D-E-W-R-Y, Dewey, education is a what? Social need, personal need, status need, financial need. It will be status need. Next, Pradhan Mantri, due to my far-sightedness, okay, the correct will be Pandit Madan Mohan Malavia National Mission on Teachers and Teaching has various components. Which of the following is not a component under this scheme? So these are the options. Inter-University Center of UGC, Faculty Development Centers FDCs, Teaching Learning Centers TLCs, School of Education SOE. So our correct answer will be Inter-University Centers of UGC, noun A. Okay, done. Okay, wait. It was 10. Yes. 9 was. What was 9? According to Dewey, education is a, not status need. It will be social need. Okay. It will be social need. Nine done. Then 10 will be, this is okay, Inter-University Center of UGC. 10 is still done. Then we have number 11. 11 says, which of the following are the features of case study method? It is appreciative, it is particularistic, it is descriptive, it is inductive, it is mechanical. So these are the options. Choose one. Correct option will be B, C and D. B, C and D will be correct. Next, number 12, it says, which of the following are remote data collection procedures? Third party interview, pop-ups, database email, instant messaging panel discussions. Now these kind of options are given. Correct option will be B, C and D. Okay, B, C and D will be correct. What was BCD? B was pop-up, C was database email and D was instant messaging. Then number 13, to perform t-test, which of the following software can be utilized? MS Excel, Unix, SPSS, MS Equations. So these are the options for 13. Correct option will be A and C, MS Excel and SPSS. Next, number 14. In 14 we have been given a question related to maths list 1 with list 2. In list 1 we have types of research, in list 2 we have research characteristic. I will first read list 1. Cohort analysis, cultivation analysis, factor analysis, canonical analysis. Research characteristic list 2. Study of a specific population as it undergoes change over time. Simultaneous analysis of two or more data tables, analysis of perceptions of social world, a multivariate statistical test used for data reduction. So number 13, not 13, wait, 13 we have done. Number 13. We have done. Now we have 14. 14, what will be correct answer? For 14's correct answer will be, so these kind of options are given, you can check it out. D will be correct. A will be related to 1, then B3, C4, D2. 14 done. Then number 15. 15 says, the measures of intercoder reliability are employed in research related to what? Discourse analysis, narrative analysis, path analysis and content analysis. Number 15. 15 correct answer will be number D, that means content analysis. This is what I have got. 16. Transforming ideas, thoughts and messages into verbal and non-verbal signs and symbols is known as what? Channelization, control, communication, encoding, decoding. What do you think? It will be number 16 will be C, that means encoding. 17. Which of the following are the effects of oral communication? Fragmented information, personal connect, feedback, objectivity, absence of interpretation. So these kind of options, correct option will be B and C will be our correct one. Wait, I might have clicked wrong option. Okay, so B and C will be correct. B was personal connect and C was objectivity. Done. Okay, then 18. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 says the psychological obstacle in communication can be seen when the receiver fails to refer language to reality and experience. Statement 2, the stereotypes held by one also contribute to the failure of language to reflect social reality. So these are the options. Study the options. Let me give you the correct option first. It will be both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Number 1 will be correct. Then next is identify the correct sequence of the elements of communication set by Aristotle. Speech, speaker, audience, occasion, effect. So these are the options for the question number 19. Correct answer will be first B will come, then A will come, then D will come, then C will come, then E will come at last. B, A, D, C, E. Then next, number 20. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 has types of communication effect, and list 2 has source of services. Service. In list 1, instrumental, prestige, reinforcement, aesthetic. List 2, author's observation, source of service, a range of special requests, sentimental fiction, factual reports. Number 20, correct answer will be C. A will be related to 4, B3, C2, D1. Done. 20 done. 21, it is a numerical sum. Find the wrong term in the series given below. 16, 22, 30, 45, 52, 66. 22, 30, 66, 45. What will be our correct option? It will be 45. Next, if the ARTH be written as QPMZS in coded form, how can the word heart HEART can be written in the same code? So it will be number D, that means SQPMZ. 22 is done. Next, 23. Compute the value of, so this is the diagram, not a diagram, but for me it is also diagram. So you study the diagram up to 3 decimal places. What will be the correct option? I will give you the correct option. Correct option of number 23, it will be 0.64. Then 24, 10 chairs and 5 tables were purchased for Rs 17,500. If the average cost of a chair is Rs 1,000, what is the average cost of table? 1400, 1200, 1100, 1500. 24, correct answer will be 1,500 rupees. 25, an aeroplane started 30 minutes later than the scheduled time from a place 1500 km away from its destination. To reach the destination at the scheduled time, the pilot needed to increase the speed by 250 km per hour. What was the speed of the aeroplane during journey? So this is the option: 750 km per hour, 1800, 900. 25, correct option will be 1000 km per hour. Next, in a classical square of opposition, if number S is P is given as false, then which of the following could be immediately inferred from it? So these are the options. From there we have to choose the correct options. Let me read it. Some S is not P is true, all S is P is undermine. Some S is not P is undermine. Some S is P is true, some S is not P is false. So number 26, correct option will be D. That means B, C and D will be our correct option. Next, 27. Which fallacy is committed in the following argument? Smooth sailing is all that's there to life, LIFE in capital, with ABC in capital insurance policy. The appeal to emotion, the appeal to pity, the appeal to force, irrelevant conclusion. 27, to the appeal to education will be correct. 28. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 says to draw an analogy between two or more entities is to indicate one or more respects in which they are similar. Statement 2 says every analogical inference proceeds from the similarity of two or more things in one or more respects to the similarity of those things in some future respect. So these are the options. 28. I will not read the options, but let me give you the correct option as per my research. It will be both statement 1 and 2 are correct. 28 done. 29 says, given below are two statements. Statement 1 says, for the classical Indian thinkers, inference or anumana means only syllogistic inference. Statement 2 says, unlike Aristotelian syllogism, anumana involves 4 steps instead of 3. So in the light of the above statements, we have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. So these are the options. 29, correct option will be C. That means statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. 30. Which of the following means of knowledge involves positing of something for making any unit of cognition self-complete. Comparison, upamana, postulation, arthapati, non-cognition, anupaladhi, verbal testimony, sabda. 30 correct option will be postulation, arthapati. Next, 31. With respect to data communication, which of the following statements is true about fiber optic cable? Fiber optic cable, you must have heard, it is related to internet. Without fiber optic cable, we would have not been using internet right now. So options are like this. I will not read all the options, it will consume my time, so let me give you the correct option. Correct option will be fiber optic cable carries data in pulses of light and is not prone to inference. 32. Arrange the following computer memory types from fastest to slowest speed. Hard disk, main memory, RAM, CD-ROM, CPU, central processing unit, registers, cache memory. 32 correct option will be first D will come, then E will come, then B will come, then A, then C. D, E, B, A, C. Next, 33. Which of the following statements about malware are true? Malware, you all know, it is found in computer or in devices, electronic, especially where we have artificial intelligence. A Trojan horse is malware disguised as legitimate software. B, a virus inserts itself into another program. It runs and spreads itself when the program is open. C, a worm is similar to a virus except that it does not need a program in order to run. It spreads by itself. So these are the options for the question number 33. Correct option will be A, B and C. These three are correct. X, all are correct. Okay. Similarly, number 34. 34 says match list 1 with list 2. In list 1 we have file, in list 2 we have file format. List 1 says video, podcast, photograph, spreadsheet. List 2 file format .xl, sx, .jpg, .mp4, .mp3. Now these are the options as you have seen. Let me give the correct option. Correct option will be A, will be related to 3, B4, C2, D1. Next, so next is related to mathematical sum. 35. It says in the following spreadsheet, which of the formula or formulae below would be best for cell C2? Note that the formula must be able to copy it down from C2 to both C3 and C4. So this is the box, this is the chart. 1 2 3 4 ABC, then lunch cost rupees, dinner cost rupees, total cost in rupees. So let me read first A, then B, then C. 15, 23, 10, 27, 35, 35, 42, 58, 45. Now, so this is the options we have got. 35 correct option will be number D, $A2 maybe plus $B2. Uh, 36 says given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Assertion says soil pollution due to detergent affects the root growth of the plants and depresses the growth of soil microorganism. Reason is saying presence of detergents in soil makes the soil more acidic. 36 correct option will be assertion is correct but reason is not correct. 37 examples of persistent organic pollutants POPs are what? Dioxins, maybe not the way I have pronounced, but this is the way I pronounce, sorry for that. PAN, VOC, furans, FURANS, PCB. So these are the options. So 37 correct option will be A, then D, then E. A was dioxins, then PAN, then E or what? Let me again go. 37 A, D and E. A, D, not B, sorry, not B. It was D, furans. Then next question. In the first commitment period of Kyoto Protocol, how many greenhouse gases were covered for reducing their emissions? 38. It was 6. Okay, 6. Then next, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Assertion A says green hydrogen production will be critical for world community to achieve carbon neutrality by the year 2050. Reason R says the energy content of hydrogen gas is much higher than that of coal. So this is the options number 39. Correct answer will be number B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Then number 40. Since the start of industrial revolution, the acidity of ocean surface water has increased by 10%, remain constant, decreased by 25%, increased by 30%. Number 40, it will be increased by 30%. Next, a government university with Institute of Eminence status can have foreign faculty up to a maximum of what? 20% of total strength, 25, 30 or 35. 41, it will be number B, 25% of total faculty strength. Next, credits earned by 42, credit earned by student and stored in academic bank of credit. After the date of earning, such credits will have validity up to maximum of what? 7, 10, 12, 15, 42. Correct answer will be 7 years. Up to 7 years, it will be valid. Next, identify the statutory bodies of university: boards of studies, academic council, executive council, finance committee, university court. So these are the options. 43. Correct option here there are some error in the question maybe. So this is what I have got according to my research, but if you know that it is not the wrong answer or no wrong options are given, then please try to rectify it in the comment box. Next is saying number 44. It says environmental education must be integral to all academic programs as students need to be mainly sensitized about. So these are the options. Let me not read it. 44. Correct option will be number D, environmental degradation and consequences for life on earth. Next, how could a lamp which does not keep on burning light another camp? The statement is from the book titled Shiksha Learning. Who among the following is the author of this book? Rabindranath Tagore, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Jyoti Phule, Savitribai Phule. It was number 1, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Next, so here we have to read the passage and then we have to answer the question. I will not do this. Okay, since read the passage and answer the questions, these are quite easy. Okay, so you should only have what I can tell you is patience and concentration and focus. In that way, whatever the passage, if you are focused, if you are concentrate, then it can be done easily. So I will not do this. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope this video will help you, and please stick to the syllabus. If you digress from the syllabus and if you do not observe, analyze and critique the previous question paper, then you will have problem. So if you try to avoid those problems, then you must do what I have said. Thank you so much.